So once you last, this is how to last this amazing female footwear. So watch it carefully. So first take the points using the last and the insole. Get the points as well or your placing points. Right, get your placing points. You can use glue to tag, hold it in place so you balance. You understand it. So stable. Let's continue. Then you could support that out using your students. You know, so let's run but I can't do that for hours. Right. So after that, I just use my hand to now bring out the belt and that. You take the second cord and back it. Actually, now you're supposed to use silver thing. Like so we're almost at the final stage. So here we're rubbing the gum. After you rub the gum, allow for drying, then we place it. So watch. No, ma koko ni a ni ganyo. Then me wala love your club.
Monday.
Monday, yeah.
Monday crazy.
So you place.
Hey, myself, I thought you did not pick my phone.
Yeah, I wasn't close to the phone.
Today I'm going to be.
I know, and in the studio, I don't
If you see my open 18 card for that side.
So you have. It's amazing, right?